What's up guys, Neighborster here, and welcome back to another video. Oh my god. Today, I'm going to show you all of my favorite squishies. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Musical and Snapchat. So let's get started. First one, I'm just going to be quiet in the video. So this one's from banggood.com, everyone. Okay guys, so these are all my squishies that I did in the video. So these are all fluorescing, but not the one right there. And guys, sorry this is a short video, but I'm just showing you my favorite squishies. And yeah. Okay, well. Goodbye.